teed up. I don't know what this dude is trying to do. I know the stock hitting the dip. Oh shit! You set the price. So I got some good news, guys. The last time I talked to you guys, we talked about me buying TRXC at the price of $1.98, but when I looked again, it told me that I bought at $1.94, right? Now check this out. We're sitting at $290. Why is that? Yesterday, it dipped down a little bit. It had like a crazy day. I was even concerned myself. I'm like, are we gonna ever get back to 285? And what do you know? It ended up going back to 209 today, which is Friday. So yesterday I didn't sell it or anything. Yes, it dipped and we went down to like $277, but then it swung back up, and then it ended the day at around, I want to say, let me check it out. Yesterday it ended the day at like $2 ish, and that brought us back to I want to say like $283, and then today, which is Friday, ended up shooting to 209. It's 206 right now as we speak, but as you can see up here, and with the 209, I don't know if you can see that. Let me see. Boom. Can you see? Bam. So with the 209, and I had my limit sale there, and it was executed. So we ended up with $290 today, which is more than I was expecting. I would have took $285, but I think that I had a limit sale for $209 instead of $205. A little greed in there. That's actually pretty weird. I don't know why I didn't have it at 205. I think it's because I wanted it at $2.10, which I did say in the last video. So yeah, I probably wanted to hit $2.10 and just put $2.09, not to be too greedy, but I still find that kind of greedy. But just saying, so yeah, now we're sitting at $290, and I think that it's just gonna go up from here. Next week we should have a good week. I might trade TRXC again. I might trade, maybe TNDM, because it's been having some awesome dips and rises over the past month. I like that stock a lot. That's one of my favorite stocks. We also had a student, well, I don't even like calling them students, but a trader in my group chat make $352 off of this stock, and it's just amazing what trading stocks can do for people. And like I said in the last video, I've done it with thousands, and now it's just time to do it with hundreds, because everybody don't have like a big account. So we're gonna do it for people with smaller accounts and show them that you can turn $268 into $1,000. And it's gonna take time. I mean, you're gonna be in some swing trades, and sometimes it's gonna dip, but you have to trust the fundamental side of the stock you're looking at, and even the technical side of the stock you're looking at, and believe in your research. And that's what I did with TRXC. And now I just gotta find another stock, or I might even trade the same stock and execute plays. If you haven't already, join my group chat, Ghill Penny Stocks, for only $20. You get my watch list. You get to communicate with a bunch of good people, very, very good people. And for $50, you can become an elite trader, and you can FaceTime me one-on-one for an hour, and you'll get lessons and videos, quizzes, and all that, so you can learn and develop yourself into the most successful trader you can be. And it's a process. It's not going to be an overnight thing like everybody is advertising out here nowadays on the internet. It's not overnight. What you have to do is develop yourself, which means you have to learn, research, and then use fundamentals and technicals to take advantage of the stock market and take advantage of opportunities such as TRXC dips. And that's the only reason I knew it was gonna dip down to 194 and go back up to 209, 205, what I say, 205, 210-ish, 209, that's right in between. And no, it didn't happen the next day, which I thought it was going to happen, but it ended up happening today, which is 2 days later. Doesn't really matter. The point is, it happened, yeah, a day later, but that's what swing trades are for. And I did my research on TRXC and the play was executed. So if you haven't yet, subscribe to my channel below and follow my Instagram at Ghill_investments to watch the progress along the way. Let me show you. Boom. Follow that. But that's what we have today. We ended the day at $290. Follow my Instagram, like I said, so you can watch the progress. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good weekend.